An air conditioning unit typically loses 7% of its efficiency the first year and 2% every year thereafter. The purpose of this video is to educate you on Xtreme Cold Air and EA-21 and how it works to improve the efficiency of your air conditioning system, thus saving you money and restoring your system to running like new. In simple terms, an air conditioning unit uses the same technique as a sponge. However, instead of absorbing a liquid, it absorbs heat. As the air conditioning unit absorbs the heat directly from the air, the resulting air becomes cooler and then is released back into the home. Freon, or refrigerant, is a gas which air conditioners use to absorb heat from the air. As the freon absorbs the heat, it is taken outside to a squeezer where the heat is released, at which point the freon returns back to the home to absorb more heat. This cycle continues until the thermostat reaches its set temperature. An oil substance exists within each air conditioning system which lubricates the compressor. However, the same oil escapes over time and migrates through the system. Due to this process, the oil will begin to build up along the walls of the line, much like plaque wood on an artery. As the buildup becomes thicker, the unit loses efficiency and in some cases can even stop working altogether. As the oil builds up or fouls the line, the refrigerant is no longer able to absorb the same amount of heat from the air. Therefore, the unit cannot cool the house as efficiently and in fact has to work harder, creating higher electricity costs. As the original oil used to lubricate the compressor diminishes, the compressor becomes more exposed, therefore vulnerable to wear and tear, and can also create more noise when running. EA-21 works to clean out the system by breaking down the buildup into a molecular level, forcing it to flow through the system and back to the compressor. Once the buildup is removed, EA-21 forms a permanent bond to the metal surface, therefore preventing oil buildup in the future. Since EA-21 both removes existing fouling in a system as well as preventing fouling from occurring, this product can be used in both new and old systems. This visual demonstrates the effects of oil buildup. With a partially clogged line, heat transfer capability is reduced, and as a result, the compressor must work harder to pump refrigerant through the system, therefore creating more stress on the unit, which will reflect higher electricity costs. Once EA-21 is introduced into the system, it starts by circulating through the unit, removing any existing oil buildup and creating its own protective layer. At this point, the heat transfer capability is improved. Therefore, more heat can be absorbed, thus generating cooler air, which results in a more efficient air conditioning system. This efficiency improvement will result in a system that runs less to reach or maintain the desired thermostat temperature, resulting in a lower electric bill. Additionally, with a clean, clear line, the compressor will not have to work as hard and use less energy while it runs. Lastly, the compressor will be quieter and last longer, as it's now properly lubricated and running less than before. Results can be seen within 30 minutes of installation. In summary, EA-21 is a proven product to help protect and prolong the life of an air conditioning system. Air conditioners with EA-21 are more efficient, use less energy, provide cooler air, run quieter, last longer, and run less. Xtreme Cold Air and EA-21. Save money, live cooler.